It's finally happened, guys. I'm finally here. I'm on Batu in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland Resort. I've been dying. I've been here for like a day and a half now. It's been crazy. Here's a look at all the stuff I've been doing. Wow. We're in here, huh? Whoa. Wow. I'm walking up to the Falcon right now. Oh my God. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. Look at that, guys. Look at it. My God. Look at its glory. Look at how beautiful it is. It's just wow. Wow.
Come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is better than dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy.
So we got the pathway down to the turret over here. That might need a little repairs over here. Oh, here he is, Steve Goddard.
Hi.
The expert on the Millennium Falcon right now. Let's sit here at the holo chest table and let's talk about some of the details that we have here on the Falcon, like Luke's helmet, we got a Porg's nest.
Yeah, this is the helmet that Luke was wearing when he's learning how to use a lightsaber. Porgs, they've been all over this ship. We've been trying to get them all out. There's one here, they're kind of scattered around. Every now and then you hear them chirping in the background.
Yeah, I think I just heard one. And then over there we got Chewie's bed. There's just a million details on this ship for people to look at while they're waiting for the attraction, correct?
Yeah, so when we come in here, you're assigned your boarding card and then you're free to just walk around. Everything in here is touchable. You can push the buttons, the lights all do something. You can just explore the whole ship.
All right, and then on the attraction itself, what can guests expect?
So guests are actually flying the Millennium Falcon. This is not just a ride along, you're piloting. So we have 6 positions. There's 2 pilots, one that steers left and right, one back and up and down. And then we have gunners and we have engineers. So the gunners are shooting the TIE fighters, they're protecting the ship, and the engineers, they're repairing the damage that the pilots and the gunners may have incurred on the ship.
Yeah, I actually did get a chance to ride a few times now, 3 times. I was a pilot on the one side once, pilot on the other side the next time, and then I was a gunner. So I still need to try the engineering standpoint there, but the piloting is just, I was really in control of the Falcon.
You are flying the ship.
It's definitely the fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy, but you know, it is still a hunk of junk.
Yeah, there's some things that go wrong every now and then with it.
God.
Over here.
Okay,
Get this red button.
there. Okay, all right. The button's gonna fix this, whatever.
Absolutely, push it.
All right, okay. All right, we're good. It's all fixed.
I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right.
I did it! Oh, don't hit the ship, Rob!
Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the booster.
This is you, Quinn. Booster!
Now let's go get that coaxium.
All right.
Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Come on, this is all you, Quinn.
No, it's you!
Oh, yeah, that's right, sorry. See, I still did it, though. We're somewhere. Oh, my gosh. Oh! We're shooting TIE fighters.
Yes, keep shooting.
Keep shooting.
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Put us down. We're gonna crash it. I know. I'm trying.
I just got off the Falcon. I stole that coaxium, and it was so amazing. That's I don't know how they're gonna one up it for Rise of the Resistance. It was crazy, absolutely 100% insane. I'm in Dok-Ondar's Den of Antiquities right now. It's crazy. They got tons of stuff in here. They got like Jedi murals. They have all sorts of artifacts. On this side of the store, they have the Jedi artifacts, and then back where I just walked over from, that's like the Sith artifacts. They have some really cool animatronics in here. They got right here, they got a baby Sarlacc pit. He's just a little baby. He's in there. He's sitting there. And the coolest thing in here, over here, is Dok-Ondar himself. There he is. He is crazy awesome. Look at him. All right, we're here in the marketplace, of course, in Black Spire Outpost, and we have a ton of different stores in here. This is Reese. She's going to tell us all about the stores.
Yes, absolutely. We're going to check out the first one, which is right behind us.
All right, let's go.
So we have a total of 4 stalls here at the marketplace. We're going to take a look at 3 of them today.
Okay, no problem.
First one is Black Spire Outfitters.
Okay.
Which is where we were going to outfit you for your next sort of galactic celebration.
Sounds like something I'm interested in.
Awesome. Okay, so what's really fun about the items that we have here is that when they developed this product, they actually went to Lucasfilm archives and pulled the patterns from the costumes that the actors actually wore on screen.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so these are super authentic apparel items so that you can really get into character and live your Star Wars adventure. So what's neat about so the story here is that it's obviously run by a Toydarian alien.
Yeah, I think I see her up there.
You too. So that is Zabaka up there in her office working, toiling away. So Zabaka's been here for a very long time and is very familiar with the stories and lore and history of some sort of galactic struggle that's going on out there, which is why you'll find characters like Darth Vader and Princess Leia and Lando Calrissian here, but you also find Rey and Kylo, and of course the mainstay, Chewbacca's just kind of always there, right?
Yeah, I really
Everybody needs a Chewbacca.
I really love Watto here.
Yes,
so cute.
Absolutely. Another Toydarian. Not the one that runs this joint, but you know, he gets a little nod here. But what's fun about this, just looking again at the craftsmanship of the items. Zabaka found items on the planet, whether it's wood, metal, or tin, to handcraft
Is it okay
artisan
to pick
gifts.
these up?
Yeah, sure,
Awesome.
go ahead. So you picked up Sabak.
I'm very interested in playing this.
Yeah, I hear if you're pretty good at that game, you might win some sort of hunk of junk. I'm not.
Yeah, I think that's
Something about
one of the
Kessel Run.
one of the
like
things
that.
you can bet on.
Yeah, there you go.
Out there.
A wager, if you will. So we're going to head across the way. This is actually my favorite part of the
right.
marketplace. So this is the creature stall.
Yeah, and we got a cute little loft cat.
We do.
Sleeping in here.
He's
Oh,
taking a
it tore
nap.
up the little porg.
Well, it's okay. We know where to get a new one.
Yeah,
right across
you're right.
the way. So the story behind this location is it's run by Bina.
Okay.
And she travels the galaxy to find unique creatures to bring back here to Batuu for guests to adopt and take home with them. We do have loaf cats available for adoption, actually,
Yes.
and each one of the creatures does something fun. The loaf cat, if you pet him, he purrs, and if he gets sort of temperamental, he gets a little upset.
Wow.
We have warts,
Ah.
dewbacks, minox, puffer pigs. This guy
Oh.
makes a fun little noise. Porgs and banthas. These guys became friends while we were here today. And we have tauntauns. And if you're feeling adventurous, we have wampos and rattars.
So I got my Ronto wrap right here at Ronto Roasters. I've really been looking forward to trying this. Looks like it has multiple types of meat on here. Got some coleslaw looking stuff, and then obviously like the hot dog. Let's just try it. It's kind of a hot dog flavor, like on a falafel. It's very good. I'm definitely gonna get this again. Here I have some fried Andorran yip tip in a jar, and I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna eat it because it looks good, and it's from Endor, so. Okay, so it tastes like chicken. This tour is like pea puree and mashed potatoes and carrots and chicken, so very good. It's time to try some more foods. These are all desserts. We got the blue and the green milk here. I'm super excited for those. And this is Aga's Obsession, which is sort of like a jello thing. from the Cantina, and this is an Oi Oi Puff. The Oi Oi Puff has got a little Black Spire logo on it there, and chocolate. Nice chocolate. Let me try this. Wow. It's got like matcha and like a strawberry sort of flavor and white chocolate, I think. Very good. August Obsession. It has Pop Rocks and popping boba. It's like a lot of action occurring. It's not what I expected. It's good. And here's the moment we've all been waiting for, is the blue and the green milk. All right, I'm gonna start with the green milk since it's the lesser known. Whoa. Whoa, this was not the flavor I was expecting. It's really light. It'd be refreshing, definitely, on a hot day, which is what you want, but let's see. Oh, I like that a lot more. It's definitely a fruit flavor. Wow, yeah. This is great. This Cantina is literally the best place in the whole land, and that's saying something, because I'm obsessed with this whole place, but like, this is the most fun besides the Falcon. The Falcon was like a lot, but this, it's a party in here. They were playing the Cantina band music from the original movie, and then it was like a remixed version, and then there's just a ton of original music. I want to download all of it. And DJ Rex is here, and I had what was it? Java Juice, and it was really good. It didn't have alcohol in it, even though I might sound like I've had a little bit of alcohol. I didn't. I'm right here next to the Millennium Falcon in this very large crowd of people standing all around, and we're waiting for the dedication ceremony of the land. And they said there was going to be a few surprises, so I guess we'll find out what that means.
Peter, this one's for you. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is now open.
Right, they just did the dedication. Harrison Ford came out, and Mark Hamill, and George Lucas, and Billy D. Williams, and I'm crying. I am crying.
You are totally crying.
I'm totally crying.
Han Solo was just up there.
I know. So that's just a little taste of what you can find here on Batuu in Black Spire Outpost. It's amazing, it's immersive, it's near to my heart because it's Star Wars, and that's really my thing. And I feel like no matter how many times I come here, I'm just gonna find something new. Rise of the Resistance hasn't even opened yet. It's opening later this year. The one in Disney World is gonna open on August 29th. Of course, if you guys wanna go here or to the one there, they are gonna have reservations for a period of time. So you are gonna have to check on Disney World or Disneyland's website just to figure out when you can. You haven't taken off behind me, but you know what? That's fine, because that kind of stuff just happens here. It just happens, and you gotta go with the flow, because it's just people are living their lives here on Batuu, and I'm glad to finally be one of them, and you can too soon.